patients will often ask me, or patients' families will often ask me, what's the appropriate age or the youngest appropriate age for rhinoplasty? Well, as I often say with most questions, there's a long answer and a short answer. The short answer is that for girls, we typically are comfortable proceeding with rhinoplasty at age 15 and boys age 17. But there's really a longer answer to that question. In rhinoplasty of patients with cleft lip and cleft palate, who often have a unique nasal deformity, we've learned that we can safely perform rhinoplasty on those patients as young as 12 or 13 years of age. So by extension, we can actually quite safely and quite comfortably perform rhinoplasty on girls less than 15 years of age and boys less than 17 years of age, which is the traditional thinking. Now, why is that? Initially, we felt that the facial skeleton had not yet developed until that age, and that somehow rhinoplasty before age 15 or 17 would disrupt the growth of the facial skeleton. Well, as I mentioned earlier, based upon our experience in cleft lip rhinoplasty, we now know that that's not true. The facial skeleton is sufficiently developed by age 12 or 13 to perform rhinoplasty. So what do we recommend? We don't typically do rhinoplasty in girls less than 15 years of age or boys 17 years of age unless there are extenuating circumstances. There may be conditions where there's been trauma or injury, and that brings us to do rhinoplasty at a younger age. There may be conditions where there's nasal obstruction, terrible nasal breathing, problems of that sort that are impacting upon daily life. Again, that might lead us to do rhinoplasty at a younger age. And then perhaps most importantly, we all know that the nose plays a very important role in facial appearance. And sometimes we find that in kids less than 15 or 17 years of age, nasal appearance problems or deformities can cause issues with self-esteem, assimilation in school, other sorts of psychological or social problems. So in circumstances like that, again, we'll consider rhinoplasty in patients younger than 15 or 17 years of age. So as with so many things in medicine, there's no simple answer, there's no yes or no answer, but we take a lot of factors into consideration when looking at the appropriate age of rhinoplasty in both boys and girls.